Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Ayer local and long-distance movers near me. In Ayer, our long-distance moving services are meticulously designed to cater to the unique needs of each client. We understand that moving can be a significant life event, and our goal is to make this process as seamless and stress-free as possible. Our comprehensive services include specialized packing for fragile items, climate-controlled transportation for sensitive belongings, and a skilled team dedicated to ensuring a smooth transition to your new home. In Ayer, known for its community spirit, our moving services are designed to be just as friendly and efficient. We offer expert packing and unpacking, secure transportation of household goods, efficient residential moves, office relocation solutions, and custom moving plans for unique needs. Choose us for a move in Ayer that's as welcoming and smooth as the community. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ayer moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.